in the manual, in the user manual, there is an option actually under driver assistance to disengage the automatic folding of the side mirrors. However, there is no such option here. I don't know if it's you know, some update, that something that was lost in an update, or something that was planned to be in the infotainment system from the beginning, and then they, you know, just forgot to add it. Anyway, there is a way to fool the system, so I'll show you how. Turn off the car normally. I found this on a thread on some kind of forum. However, if I do press the lock button inside the door, close the door, and then the mirrors will not fold. It's not really good when they fold if it's like sub-zero temperatures, because you know, you might have a situation where the mirrors actually freeze, and you know, I guess, you know, you could blow some fuses or whatever if you try to start the car with them. Now you can see the light is still on. This is the courtesy light, so this will, you know, go off in a few minutes, and then the blinking light for the lock, the red light for the lock will start blinking, and that means it's the same situation as if you would lock the door from the outside, with the one exception of the mirrors not folding. Okay.